My name is Rajendra Koyal. I completed my graduation in BE Mechanical from ILDP College in 2017. I have total 4-year experience in non-IT background, and then I want to switch my career in the IT field. Then I started my training in a STAD solution for manual and basic automation testing, where I learned all the testing activity from test plan, test life cycle, defect report, and all the manual activity. Then after training period, I got placed in eClinical Works, where I want to work in a software test engineer. I want to thank Jamin sir, Richa ma'am, and Ajay sir. I strongly recommend STAD solution for testing course for who want to make career in the IT field.